Hi. Alright. Let's see where we are at. I guess it's about the database connection and putting the login and logout buttons where they belong. Let's check the design tool. So, dev stack. Okay, this is not relevant because SSR false is only for React router, which the stand could help with the user. We had a lot of trouble managing the state, although we fixed it with use context, I think. Let's see. Oh yes, okay. Yeah, we have a use context here. Oh, we are not passing the... Okay, we remove the login logout button. What if we do this? So we remove the user here, because we should have the context, right? And coming here, we can remove this, and we can do next user. What is it? Use context? Oh shit. Ah. What did he do? Okay. I have to type it again. I think it's use context. Something like this. I don't know if that works. Submit. I don't have a make file. Huh. Where is my make file? No make file? Okay. Oh. Oh, that worked. Interesting. No error. That works without any error. Okay. Oh, the login button is here. Okay. So now the problem is, how do I update the user? Oh, set theme, but that would change the theme. Wait, was the theme here too? Oh, okay. So the value here needs to be, but I cannot do that. I need to use the use state here. Maybe I move the user context out of here. Oh wait, that's not how you do use state. You need set user. I should just install the stand and be gone with it. Yeah, maybe I remove it from here. Oh, and now maybe I can... Oh wait, I already have this here. So maybe I don't need to do that. I can do const user equal. Yeah, I don't know if that works. Use state ch is null. I think I want to copy the code. It will be less of a headache if I don't have to worry about the export working. Oh, I missed the function. Okay. Wait, that compiled? Oh my god. Wait, I'm logged in? Wait, does it work? Oh my god, it works. Oh my god, guys, it works. Oh my god. Oh, this is... I didn't type the password correctly. I'm going to log out. Log in. Okay. That's expected. Okay, it does not check the password. Yeah, because we are checking the database for the username only. But at least we restored functionality compared to where we were with React Router. Oh my god, we've done it. Oh my gosh. I'm actually really happy. It was so stressful to do this rewrite, and this syntax caused me a lot of trouble. Create route. Like before, we were doing like a function app, and now there is no function app. We have this route advanced strict mode. I don't know what that does. Provider, I don't know what that does. So we end up here, and then here there was just this parenthesis. So I figured, okay, it's automatically returning the latest object that it finds if there is no return statement. So maybe if I write return and I put a kind of function like this for the lambda being captured here, maybe I can add this const user and then it will work. And I was lucky because it did actually work. So, and the user context is captured properly. So now I can catch the user from the context and everything is working. That's a big victory. We still do need these two, although this variable here is kind of repeated here. So maybe this could be improved, but I don't think so. I think only thing I can do is like user context and then go here. Do something like this and put anonymous here and export like this and then do this. If we can make this compile somehow. Unexpected token, okay. I don't know if that works. This restructuring stuff is really strange. Missing export, okay. I don't know how that works, honestly. So I have to put it on 2 lines because I cannot figure this out. Okay. Wait, do I need... Okay. Need this one. I don't need this one. Yeah, I don't need this one, right? Okay. The most problematic thing with this is that there is no way to know if something is correct or not. I don't understand why I'm importing this and this. Oh, React.js is used here. Okay. But this guy is not used, so can go bye-bye. Why do I need 2 lines here? I don't know. Okay, what I tried to do does not work, so I will just cancel it immediately. Yeah, that should be it. I'm not going to try and make it work the way that I want. This, yeah. Because this error messages here, I don't have time to figure out why it doesn't work. Just a load of bullshit. Yeah, I don't know what the compiler is trying to do here, so... Okay, we are back, baby. Like, I could not imagine only 30 minutes to make more progress. So what now? Let's yeah, so workspace, there is no route for it, and also think I want I want this to be some kind of, I want to put the name of the user here, okay? So if I do that, the logout button should be next to it. So either logout moves next to workspace, or because about should be, about and resources should be the last links. So I suppose and hardware is not important, so I will move the logout button maybe here. I don't know if that's good. Logout button should be out of the way. So okay, let's keep it here, and then here we put the, instead of workspace, we take the name of the user and we write it here. That will be a problem if the name is too long. Damn. I can have a max width, and I can try to make it regular, because that's 5 plus 1 and then another 5. So I can have like every link in the navigation to be the same size. That would be like 960. That'd be 85 pixels or so. Like, I can probably figure out a way to make it divisible. Oh wait, 11. Okay, let's cheat. Let's do 11 by, so that's 935, which means 960 would be 25 pixels. That's so annoying. Maybe I have to go with 87 after all. Because 3 pixels, nobody is going to notice 3 pixels. So it would be better to go with this. And once I have that, I can also design the bar to be a little bit more interesting, because this is very boring. I was thinking about some kind of buttons. You'll see what I mean when I design it. I design the buttons off stream, I think, and then you'll see what I mean. I put the buttons there, and then I will probably design the icons myself also. I probably use the spriter in the virtual machine to do so. I think I have the export function already working. Yeah, I think that works out. and I need to figure the vertical size too. So we have an icon in the middle, and then we have a name for the button. So the button has a background, a text, and an icon. Okay, so we are going to do that. And here we put the username instead of, that will still be workspace here, but we will display the username. Or I could put workspace at the end next to after about. Oh, I can remove about from here and put everything that is. Oh wait, no, about. No, should still be a page by itself because I want to. That will be information about the project itself and where you can find the channel and other information and resources. So let's keep it this way. I'll do this. Okay, that's looking good. Let's work on the database. Oh no, that's not what I mean to do. I mean to, when I click on workspace, I need to fetch all the links of the user, and I need to have a way to add new links and send the new links to the database. Okay, so we are going to do that right now. The endpoint would be I don't know, workspace, add link maybe, or no, we want to have an API such that here it's like links and then add and then wait, add maybe query parameter and then like source equal, and then here this is the URL of the link. Can I do that? I think that would be the solution here. And then the backend can process, and I can test this in the backend independently of the front end. Oh yes. And I can query with an ID, so whatever ID. I can query with okay, I need to check how an API is done basically. And Geeks for Geeks has the article, obviously for me, ready right away. I need some water. It's like 40 degrees Celsius here, so be right back. Alright. Let's read about REST API. Oh, I already read this. Yeah, I already read this in one of the episodes. Oh, so this is the post. Yes, I even, there was a quiz at the end of it. There's a quiz at the end of it. Yeah, I did the quiz, I got every question correct. So, what do we do? Okay, delete. Guys, put delete. Where is patch? I don't see patch. Yeah, put and patch. So patch changes, put, update everything. Okay, so do I need to? Oh, that's going to be annoying if I have to write everything myself. I don't need the ID of the user in the request here. Oh, the post! This is inside the body, I put JSON. And a location header. And I need to return 201. Okay. There has to be there is a module somewhere to make a REST API. Okay, Flask has full. I knew it. There had to be a module somewhere, a package for Flask to do REST API. Okay, so let's see what we need to do here. So I make an API from the app and resource a class. Really? What? What is this? Resource? Oh, wait, okay. Return, and then you get the dictionary, which is a JSON object. And what is this? Like, root? Huh. Oh, and I can curl it at the root, and I should get the object. Yeah, the to-do application, obviously. The ill word of databases. So this is the database. Request form, wait. So where is get? Where is put? I don't get it. Also, I forgot about the syntax. Oh, the type is string and the name of the parameter is to-do ID or something. This is to-do one data method is put. I don't see how this is parsed. It has to be to the magic of this resource class here that we extend. So from here we should go to the put method here. We get the ID from here, I suppose. And for this to do request form data, so the data is this here, the -d. And then, yes, so data here, so that will be remember the milk. It's going to be set, and I return a dictionary with the ID and its value on the put. Okay. What I don't get is this to do number 2 here. Oh, wait. Okay, so it does not check. It does not check that the ID already exists. Because this is a dictionary, it's going to add the key and not verify that this is a legal operation. I guess that can make sense, but for a real API, you don't want to do this. I don't think so. That looks really weird. Also, I need to think about this because I don't want to send the user ID. So I have a problem where I want to be able to do with the ID, but inside the website, the web app, I don't want to send the ID, I want to use the current user. So I need to think about this a little bit. Because otherwise, okay, maybe I can send the ID, but if the ID is different than the current user, I ignore the request. So how do you do? Yes, that's what I want to do. Okay, I think I need to think about it a bit more. I'm not. But this example is just bad. You don't do these things like this. Okay, get JSON. What is this? Oh, if you have request, so you don't use curl. Okay. Yeah, how do I... Okay, this is true. Oh, I can put the code here. $400 is bad request. Okay, that's a 400. Okay. Yes, this is the correct way to do, to pass the ID like this. Oh, but the endpoint is different. What is this? I don't get it. Oh, okay, so... No, I don't get it. So you call the method to do EP, but you receive it like this. Okay. So now argument passing. So we are going to pass the arguments. Okay. It's kind of nice that you can try the whole thing with just a dumb dictionary like this. Oh, there is an abort here. So if the ID doesn't exist, it returns the 404. Okay, that's better design. Yeah, you get the abort here. So get, delete, put. Where is patch and... Okay, post is there. I don't see patch. Okay, whatever. Okay, we are going to do that. We're going to do that. And actually, I could have a different application, so a different server running to serve the API with fast API. I don't need to handle the kind of API query with Flask. We are going to start with Flask RESTful, and if the application if we get users basically, and we think we can improve it, we switch to fast API, but right now, just want to get it to work, so it would be also nice if I could do a clean design where I don't put everything in the main file. That's the problem here. I have a link class already, so how do I do this? Okay, let's do like something like this. I'm going to do this just to try to isolate it a little bit more. Oh, okay, I create the API like this. So, right. I will put it here. That should be it. I am confused now. I need to do, because I need the database. So the link get output. I want the data. Request form data. That's weird. Okay, I see. I see how it works now. This. So I can do this maybe. But how do I... source title visibility. Oh. I guess I can just patch the data like this and pass the data like this, and that will create I have to leave it like this so that I get a chance to debug it in the middle. But I need to return the link, right? So I think that's it. I have a put. Oh yeah. Problem will be let's restart the server. It works. Huh. Let me try this. Wait, what? Links? Why does it have links here? Okay, not found. Makes sense. I don't know that the API is active or anything. Strange. Oh, wait. You add the class. A string. No, wait. I need to define like no. That should be enough to define the endpoint. I don't see. Let's see the final example. So to-do list, to-dos, and then the to-do itself is a to-do with an ID. Makes sense, but this works, right? So, and the to-do list get, and I return everything. So I don't understand why I get a 404 if this is executed. Wait, kind of it does not even get there, but normally it should be something that I need. Okay. The biggest issue, and I can also write the test with curl so that we can verify that the API is working. I will need to be careful about that. But if I can get the endpoint to respond, that would be great. I don't know why it's not serving it. Oh, should I remove the backslash? The slash here? Okay, now it works. Link ID is missing. Okay. So... Okay, we need to figure this out. In the example, we have... okay, so that's two different endpoints. There's one endpoint here and one endpoint with the to-do, with the ID, so... I guess it's going to have to be two different classes. So this is link, and then this is links, and then a link ID here. I need the angle brackets. Yeah. Actually, the put here maybe needs the ID too. What is it? The post. Oh, that's for the to-do list. The to-do, the put needs an ID, delete ID, get ID. So we are just going to copy. No need to be smart there. And the delete too. I need pony ORM delete. Oh, come on. Okay. Come on, give me the delete. Okay. What do you return for the delete? Two 204 and empty. The put is a 201. And the get is nothing. Is a 200, I suppose. Oh, and there is a abort, like... Wait, something is wrong there. Oh, the put as an ID, but it doesn't abort if it doesn't exist. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is okay, this is 200. Problem is, I don't like... I think I will remove going to be post, because damn, what to do? We didn't make an example with post. Oh, there is a post here. Oh, okay. So you post on the complete list, but you don't post on the to-do itself. Okay. Okay. So I have an ID here, and I have a put here, and then I get the link like this. I get the data, and I need to update the data, so that will be... update here. Does that work? No, I don't see update. How do you do the update? Oh god. I don't want to have to search. Google, can you answer me? Oh, save with commit? Okay. That's not a good way to do that. Like, I want to update with a dictionary. Oh, there is a set method, okay. So I can pass the dictionary values here. And then update will be on the database? What is it? No, update? Yeah, update is on the database itself, I suppose. Wait, update pset this price for every product on the category t-shirt will make it 10% more expensive. So pay is the name of the table? So it's what, price table? No. Yeah, probably price table, I don't know. Interesting. So this is link set, pass the data like this. And we should be good. I will... Okay, let's do it anyway. Oh wait, really? Ah. It's always the anxiety when because I deleted all my cookies yesterday, and obviously my passwords. I have to retype every one of them because the cookie is not there. Okay, so now get the link, I get the data, I set the data. Oh wait, there is the decision, so I don't need to worry. I guess I could do the commit myself. That is disgusting. Because I'm going to return 201, and then if the commit fail, yeah, I mean, alright, that's it to do, and probably, yeah, I'm just going to copy, commit the transaction manually, somehow. Okay, so now I need a post here. Probably need to get the data. Like this, and then do a link. Data like this, and then let's see how to do a post. It's a 201. Okay, no error here. So now and links does not provoke an error anymore. Three or four. Interesting, that's a 3 or 4. Not sure what that means. Okay. The next step is to write the curl query and see if the database updates. Yeah. I will have to do just the database testing. I don't want to do it now, actually. I might just take a break and then come back to it later.